What's new? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cassandra. I just got back from picking up my Walmart haul. It's been a while since I filmed a Walmart haul. It just hasn't worked out the last couple months, but here we are. I stocked up on a couple things. If you watched my winter stock up list video, I'll link that down below for you, but if you didn't, I basically just made a list of a lot of things that I wanted to stock up on, and this month I'm starting to do that for the winter ahead. We live rurally. Our road is like one of the last ones plowed. Usually the way it goes is our road is plowed and then like the next day we get a snowstorm, so I don't like to have to drive the handful of miles, like the 25 minutes, 30 minutes into town during the winter. I just don't like to drive in the snow, so here we are. I'm stocking up. So we're going to talk about some of those stock up items and just some regular monthly items. There's a lot of things in this haul that I didn't have to get this month, like yogurt. We still have 2 big things of vanilla yogurt left over from last month. I still have a big thing of sour cream left. I didn't need a gallon of milk because we got that a couple days before the end of the month, so I didn't need a gallon of milk. So it's a pretty minimal haul, but it still came to $230. So let's talk about it. So I got my regular 5-pound bag of carrots, soups, stews, crock-pot meals. The kids like it when I cut these into carrot sticks. If you watched my Aldi haul, I did get a couple bags of baby carrots, but lots of carrots going down the carrot harvest. I haven't pulled the carrots out of the garden yet, but they're really tiny. They're nothing crazy, so this is what we're going to use. I did get just 1 bag of brown sugar to hold me off until I go to Sam's Club. I got 2 packets of beef stew mix. We're going to do beef stew this month, and then I like to just have an extra one in case I decide just like last minute it's not on the meal plan, but I have everything for it because we always keep potatoes and carrots and onions. I always have some sort of beef or even chicken, something like that we can throw in the crock pot for a beef stew, so I wanted to have an extra one. I got tortellini because these are cheese and spinach. I'm trying to sneak a little something in there, but I'm going to make a ravioli sauce. I'm going to show you guys how I do that, and we're going to use tortellini. I think my family likes it better with tortellini, but you don't have to use tortellini or ravioli. You can use just plain pasta. I've done that too, and it's just as good. I got 2 things of waffles. These are just the buttermilk waffles, the Great Value brand. There's 24 in each box. We are replacing our blueberry muffins this month. Usually I do blueberry muffins once a week for the kids for breakfast, but we're going to switch that out and do waffles. Just trying to switch it up a little bit so the kids don't get bored. So we're doing this. This was a winter stock up item. I got 2 things of Pedialyte. I just got the ones that usually my kids like the blue ones. They didn't have the blue one, so I just got flavors I think they'd like. This is mixed fruit, and then this is strawberry. During the winter months, I always get a thing of Sunny D for the month. I might go back and get a second one. I know Sunny D is not good. All right, I understand that. Orange juice is definitely better for them, for us, but my kids drink this. They don't drink regular orange juice, so this is what I'm doing just to get a little extra something in them and a whole lot of extra sugar. I'm acknowledging that. Let's move on. My green bean harvest was pitiful this year, so I got a couple bags of frozen green beans to get us through. I'll buy these in bulk when I go to Sam's Club. These were on sale, and I normally will get these at Sam's Club, but these were a Sam's Club price at Walmart. These were $13. Normally at my Walmart, I think online it said they're $23, so $10 off a box. So I got 2 boxes. These will go down in the storage room. The kids use these for lunch boxes. So I was really happy to find those. 2 bags of cereal for the month. We always get Rice Krispies because I make homemade Rice Krispies for the kids for lunch boxes and after school snacks. This was the other cereal that the kids picked. They're just the off-brand like Apple Jacks. I got 2 things of apple juice. This is more what the kids will be drinking this month. I always get juice in the winter time just to help keep their immune systems up and get just a little extra good stuff in there. So 2 things of apple juice. The kids have been asking for hot chocolate on some of those cooler days, and the last couple days we've had nothing but rain, so hot chocolate would have been nice. Of course I got the ones with the marshmallows in it, so there's that. That'll be a staple for the next couple of months. 6 loaves of sandwich bread. We get honey wheat. That is our preferred bread, but 6 loaves for the month. 2 things of ramen. Don't meal plan these. These are just when the kid's hungry. need an extra little something. Maybe they're sick, they have a sore throat. We do ramen, so I got a beef and I got a chicken. Not on the meal plan, but just something convenient to have for when we want them. Pringles were also on sale, so I got another thing of Pringles, 27 cups in here. Lots of chips, but this is not for 1 month, or like they're not gonna fly through this in a week. This is gonna be longevity snacks. So this is probably like, you know, a box a month. So, because I do not put chips in their lunches every single day. It's kind of like a couple days a week, probably like 2 or 3 days a week, you can pick some chips to put in your lunches. So just something fun, but these will last a good while. I did get a thing of stew meat. Came to $19.06. That makes me want to cry, but there's 2.73 pounds in here, and I will split this between 2 meals. We're going to use half of this for our beef stew and half of this for beef and broccoli, which I think I'm going to do tonight for supper because it just sounds good. So that's what that's for. These are another convenience shelf item. Probably once a year I will stock up on a couple boxes of Hamburger Helper. I didn't want to completely blow my budget, so I did part of them this month, and then next month I'll get a couple more boxes. But I got a double cheeseburger macaroni because we buy our beef in bulk, like our ground beef. We have a freezer full, so this is really easy to just pull out and have. And then I got 2 boxes of the crunchy taco. That's probably our favorite. We don't do them very often, but have them on the shelf for when we want them, need them, desire them. Last month we did a crock pot queso chicken quesadilla, and they were so good, so we're gonna do that again. So I got another thing of queso dip for that. A couple more stock up items. Every winter I stock up on a couple cans of this beef stew. We like to do this over rice. I'll make some rice in the Instant Pot, probably do 2 cans of this for a dinner for the 6 of us, and then I'll make a batch of cornbread or something, and that'll be dinner. Sometimes I beef this up by adding like a bag of those frozen green beans in here. So that's how we kind of stretch it. I got 3 cans of bean and bacon soup. I have 1 can on the shelf. I like to keep 4 on the shelf. That's just like our number. So just a couple more to keep up on the shelf for the winter time. I found this ranch packet. This was $3, and I've been buying those little individual ranch packets for 50 cents. So this will basically be a lot more cost efficient for me, but I'm making ranch Chex Mix for the kids probably like 2 weeks out of the month. So this is just more cost efficient. A couple months ago, I tried this Chobani caramel macchiato, and this is coffee creamer. I can't go back. It's just so good. And this lasts a long time in the fridge because it's non-dairy. So today's October 1st. These don't expire until December 17th. So these will last a long time if I don't go through them. Not that that's not going to happen, but if that's a concern for you, because when I was doing traditional creamed coffee like this, like a creamer coffee instead of powdered, I never went through it in time. And I drink coffee every day, sometimes 2 cups a day, and I still wasn't going through it. So I never wanted to buy a big thing of liquid coffee creamer, but because this is dairy free, it lasts way longer, and it's a lot smaller of a container, but you just shake it, pour it in. It's so good. I also tried their maple donut one last month. That one was very good. So these 2 things will get me through the first 2 weeks, and then halfway through the month I'll go back and get another 2, and that'll last me the rest of the month. 2 things of heavy whipping cream. That just seems to be what our family uses month to month. This almost never goes bad for me. I make biscuits with this. I make a couple different pasta dishes with this. We love creamed gravy, so we always go through that. I got 2 tubes of yogurt. These are a favorite in lunch boxes. So I got some different flavors. I got strawberry and berry. I got strawberry, banana, and cotton candy. These go in the freezers, and then I put them in their lunchbox frozen, and then they're thawed by lunchtime for them. So this is probably an everyday thing. The girls love these, and I would rather them be eating yogurt than something else. Then the very last thing I did is I got 2 boxes of these granola bars. The kids have snack at school, but you have to provide their own snack. So these are a really easy thing for the kids to have for a snack at school. So 9 peanut butter, 9 chocolate chip, 6 s'mores. There's 24 bars in here. I got 2 boxes, and that'll be good for us probably for the month. They do other snacks, but sometimes those go in lunch boxes. But that is my $230 some Walmart haul. Doesn't seem like a lot. If you want to see the other half of my groceries, I will link my Aldi haul for you guys down below. That's where most of the groceries come from. And then Walmart just fills in the rest of it. But it's pretty bare this month because a lot of things that I normally get, I didn't have to get. I also didn't need any household products, anything like that. So it was really just a good month because I was able to stock up on some pantry things and some winter things I wanted to get on the shelf. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day. I hope that you guys are checking some things off of your winter prep list. I've heard from some of you guys in the comments that you guys already did your fall cleaning, your houses are put together, your yards are picked up, all the things. Good for you. I'm very jealous. One day I will be as on it as you are. But one thing checked off the list, a couple of storage items are on the shelf, so we can check some things off the never-ending list. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day wherever you are. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to hang out with me and talk about some groceries, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.